Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can change the screen refresh rate on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. To do so, we need to open the settings, go to display settings over here, and finally here we have display refresh rate. If you select this option, then you have three options. You have auto, which is just automatic change. So when needed, the device will use the highest screen refresh rate possible. However, in order to save the battery consumption, it will also switch back to 60 when it is not really needed to use the highest one. And however, this should not be really noticeable. So if you want to force a specific refresh rate, then of course you can set it to 60 so that you always have 60 Hz refresh rate and you have the lowest battery consumption. You can also set it to 120 for smoother experience, but you also have higher battery consumption. And of course you can switch to 144 Hz, which provides the smoothest experience when using and swiping and so on and so forth. However, it also uses the most battery. So by selecting one of these three options, you force the selected screen refresh rate, and if you set it to auto, then the device will decide when it is the best to use all of these options. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.